If you want to build $100,000 from nothing in exactly 3 years, the most popular financial advice is secretly setting you up to fail. We are constantly told to invest early, let compound interest work its magic, and put our faith in index funds. But when you look at the raw data for short time horizons, a completely different reality emerges. Compounding is mathematically useless when you are starting from zero. If you rely on average stock market returns to hit this specific 3-year target, you are fighting a losing battle against time. Instead of investing, the fastest path to this milestone requires a counterintuitive approach called the zero compound strategy. Over the next few minutes, we are going to explore why ignoring traditional finance rules is the only way to accelerate your wealth building. We will break down exactly how you can engineer a massive cash surplus and shift your entire focus away from market returns. Chapter 1. The Munger Paradox. The legendary investor Charlie Munger famously noted that acquiring the first $100,000 is overwhelmingly the most difficult financial hurdle anyone will face. The reason this particular milestone is so brutal is that you have no existing capital to do the heavy lifting for you. When you have $1 million, a modest 5% return generates $50,000 of invisible income in a single year. When you are starting from zero, a great 10% return on your first $5,000 yields a mere $500. That tiny gain requires 12 months of waiting and exposes your hard-earned principal to market volatility. You simply cannot rely on the slow and steady mechanics of the stock market to hit 6 figures in 36 months. To achieve this goal on an aggressive timeline, you must stop looking at your wealth as an investment problem and start treating it as a strict mathematical gap. Chapter 2. The Zero Compound Strategy. Because your timeline is strictly limited to 3 years, traditional investing actually becomes a massive liability rather than a helpful tool. The stock market historically goes up over a span of decades, but over any given 36-month period, it is entirely possible for index funds to drop significantly. If you are aggressively funneling money into the market and a sudden downturn hits during your 3rd year, your goal will be completely wiped out. This is where the zero compound strategy comes into play. You must intentionally abandon the pursuit of investment returns and place your cash into the most boring and absolutely safe vehicle available, like a standard high-yield savings account. By removing the distraction of tracking stock tickers and stressing over portfolio performance, you free up all of your mental energy for the only variable that actually matters right now. You are about to discover how to radically expand your active earning capacity. Chapter 3. The Income Delta Equation. Let us look at the cold and hard mathematics required to reach this milestone. $100,000 divided by 36 months equals approximately $2,777 that you must save every single month. You absolutely cannot reach this number by clipping coupons, skipping your morning coffee, or canceling your favorite streaming services. Frugality has a rigid mathematical floor because you eventually run out of things to cut from your budget, but your income potential has no ceiling. Your entire strategy must revolve around maximizing the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Instead of trying to squeeze a few extra dollars out of a limited paycheck, you need to systematically increase your top-line revenue. The secret to manufacturing this much extra cash each month does not involve working twice as many hours. It requires building a unique career advantage that forces the market to pay you a premium. Chapter 4. Building a skill monopoly. The most reliable way to drastically increase your income is by developing what economists call a skill monopoly. Most people try to become slightly better at one specific thing, which puts them in direct competition with thousands of other professionals. A much smarter approach is to combine 2 or 3 ordinary skills to create a rare and highly valuable hybrid profile. For instance, an accountant who understands tax law is incredibly common. However, an accountant who also learns the basics of database programming can automate complex financial audits, making them essentially irreplaceable to a modern firm. A nurse with standard clinical experience is normal, but a nurse who learns how to write corporate healthcare policy becomes a highly paid consultant. You do not need to be the absolute best in the world at any single thing. You simply need to stack complementary skills together until you become the only logical choice for a lucrative opportunity. Chapter 5. The Asymmetric Career Bet. Once you have established your unique combination of skills, you have to place yourself in environments where your earning potential is disconnected from the hours you work. This means seeking out asymmetric career bets, where the downside is firmly capped, but the upside is entirely unlimited. In a traditional corporate ladder, your income grows by a tiny percentage each year, regardless of how much actual value you provide. To break this slow cycle, you need to actively negotiate for performance bonuses, profit-sharing agreements, or transition to roles where your compensation is directly tied to the revenue you generate. If you are working in a standard salary position, you might leverage your skill monopoly to offer specialized consulting services on the weekends. By positioning yourself closer to the actual cash flow of an industry, you allow your newly developed skills to command the exact premium required to meet your aggressive monthly savings target. Chapter 6. The Artificial Scarcity Protocol. As your unique skill set begins to generate serious income, you will face the most dangerous psychological trap of this entire process. Human nature dictates that as we earn more money, we unconsciously upgrade our lifestyle to match our new tax bracket. To hit your target in 3 years, you must actively enforce a concept known as the Artificial Scarcity Protocol. Even if your income doubles, you must psychologically freeze your standard of living and pretend that you are still making your original entry-level salary. You automate the massive new gap between your income and your expenses, sweeping every extra dollar directly into your boring savings account before you ever see it. By creating an invisible wall between your rising wealth and your daily checking account, you completely eliminate the temptation to casually spend. This disciplined approach ensures that all of your hard work actually translates into retained wealth, rather than a collection of expensive habits. Chapter 7. The Crossing Point. The day you finally check your bank account and see that 6-figure balance staring back at you is the exact moment everything shifts. You have officially crossed the hardest financial threshold, and you no longer have to rely purely on your own physical labor to build wealth. This is the precise time when you are finally allowed to care about compound interest and the stock market. Because you now possess a substantial base of capital, those average market returns will actually generate meaningful amounts of money without you lifting a single finger. You have built the heavy machinery required to print your own financial freedom. The skills you developed and the discipline you forged during this 3-year sprint will stay with you forever, ensuring that your next major financial milestone arrives significantly faster than the first.